A bakery is a place that sells baked goods, or the things that you make in an oven. For example, bread, cakes, brownies, etc. Etc.? What does that mean? Etc., which we usually write like this, comes from Latin, and it translates to "and the rest," which basically means "and all of the other similar things." We use it when we have a list of more than 2 or 3 things, and we don't want to waste time saying or writing each thing. And again, the things that you are talking about need to be similar or related in some way. Bread, cakes, and brownies are all similar. So when we hear bread, cakes, brownies, etc., it's very easy to imagine what the other things are. They're probably cookies, cupcakes, scones, and other things that we make with flour, sugar, eggs, water, and an oven. But if we say something like milk, chairs, books, etc., that doesn't work. Those things are not similar or related to each other in any way, so the listener will not be able to imagine what the other things are. Here are 3 more examples where it does work to use etc. The pet store sells all types of dogs, cats, lizards, birds, etc. Dogs, cats, lizards, and birds are all normal pets, so we can easily understand that etc. means "and the other animals that people often have as pets." For example, hamsters, gerbils, snakes, and rabbits. Stationery refers to things that we use for writing. For example, pens, pencils, paper, etc. Because we know that we are talking about things that we use for writing, we can easily understand that etc. probably includes things such as ink, erasers, and paper clips. Our garden is full of herbs. We grow rosemary, basil, thyme, etc. Because we know that we are talking about herbs, we can easily guess that etc. includes other common herbs, such as parsley, cilantro, mint, and lemongrass. Now I want to take just 1 more minute to talk about a few more details and some common mistakes that people make. First, when writing, we usually use the abbreviation etc. But we still say etc. when we read it out loud. So, when you see this, say etc. Don't say etc. Second, when you list things in a sentence, you usually have the word "and" before the last one. However, when we use etc., we do not put "and" before it. Third, although you will sometimes see it written as 1 word, it is usually written as 2 words. Fourth, sometimes people use etc. when they only have 2 or 3 ideas and they want to make it look like they have more. Don't do this. This does not fool anybody, it just makes you look dishonest. And finally, most of the time, you shouldn't use etc. in formal writing. Formal writing should be clear, detailed, and specific. Your audience shouldn't need to guess what the other things are. So, in formal writing, instead of using etc., it's usually better to give a description that makes it very clear what the other things are. And if you found this video useful, please don't forget to give it a like. Doing this both really helps my page, and it helps other learners like you because it tells them that this is a good video to watch. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.